I am Nabanita Pal, a student of BSc Nursing third year in Neotia Academy of Nursing Training Institute. So I want to share my point of view why I choose nursing as a profession in Neotia Academy. So first of all, I belong from a middle class family. I never thought about nursing as a profession in my birthplace. Thank God, I met someone who is a nurse in my area only. She is working in the district hospital, and I got inspiration to serving the people without any discrimination. I saw her dressed up in scrub and the dedication in his face when she is walking in the hospital, and also I saw her with the dark circle when she is coming after the night shift. It's a very common thing, but a lot for me to serve the nation and got the blessings from the people who are go back to their home after the discharge from the hospital. It's my own story and true. There are so many students who have the inspiration but out of their future. My journey started from Neotia Academy, and it's also helped me and helping me to become a professional nurse, and it not only educates us but also it furnishes us to giving the skill which is essential in nursing. Thank you.